Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about rusting. In this video, we will see what is the meaning of rust. We also will learn about what are the conditions that required for the rusting to happen and also how to protect against rusting. First of all, what is rust? Rust happens due to a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction happens between the iron and the oxygen. When the iron reacts with oxygen, it will form a compound called iron oxide. Iron oxide is the orange-brown solid that appears as rust. This compound will have totally a different properties than the original iron properties. What are the conditions for rusting to happen? You must need air, which is the oxygen, and also water for the rusting to happen. This both condition is essential or is a must for rusting to happen. For example, you see these three different test tubes. The first test tube contains air and the water. So with the presence of these two conditions, the iron will get rust. How about B? B, there is air, but the layer of oil here will prevent the air from dissolving in the water. And we also use the boiled to distilled water. The boiled meaning there will be no dissolved air in this water. So without the presence of air, the rusting won't happen. How about C? The air is dry because the presence of anhydrous calcium chloride here is a drying agent. It will absorb all the water vapor inside this test tube. So without the presence of water, the iron nail won't get rust. Okay, with that, I hope you clear that when we avoid the presence of oxygen or water, we can prevent the rusting from happening. So this is how these methods are being used. For example, painting. The painting will actually stop the oxygen and water from reaching the iron beneath. So we can use this as a protection against rusting. Example, we use it in cars or roof. We also can use greasing. Greasing will actually stop the oxygen and water also from reaching the iron. So we can use it in the machinery. Then we can use electroplating, where a coating of metal like tin or chromium will stop the oxygen and water from reaching the iron. So when these two essential things not reaching the iron, so the iron won't rust, then we can prevent the rusting from happening. And then we can do galvanizing, which is a coating of zinc stops the oxygen and water from reaching the iron and also corrodes before the iron. Okay, so the iron won't get corrodes. We can use it for roofs or sheds. And the last one will be the alloying, which means we combine the iron with chromium or nickel to make a stainless steel to slow down the rusting or to prevent the rusting from happening. This usually will be used for kitchen surfaces. Okay, all these are the protections against rusting. Okay. Now we go into the question part, where you see this is about the ways to prevent iron nail from rusting. This experiment is set up with 3 iron nails. So we have a drying agent here. We have tube B with the oil at the top with the boiled water, and tube 3 is an open test tube with water here. Okay, so tube 1, tube 2, tube 3, you can see the difference here, the condition. Now, what is the name of the main compound in rust? Okay, what are the compounds that form from the rust? Is the iron reacting with the oxygen to produce iron oxide. Okay, now the second question, why does the nail in tube 1 not rust? So the presence of drying agent here will actually absorb all the water vapor inside the test tube. So without the presence of water, the iron nail won't get rust. And number 3, what is the purpose of the layer of oil in tube 2? To prevent the air actually from entering into the boiled water, because boiled water is free from dissolved air. So we don't want any extra air to get into the water and make the iron nail to rust. So I hope this video will help you to actually understand what is rusting and how actually the rusting happen and how to prevent the rusting. So these are some quiz questions for you to answer at the end of the session. Thank you for listening.